Hello friends, welcome to Saral Facts Finance. In a series of videos, we are trying to bring clarity on technical aspect of stock markets for stock traders in a very simplistic manner. In this video, we will address your queries regarding circuit limit on shares. Subscribe us for more information and tips on stock markets. Share trading can be a very good source of income if you have clarity on certain technical aspects. Let us understand one technical aspect, which is circuit limit. What is a circuit limit? Circuit limit, also often called as a price band, is a range of a share price calculated at a fixed percentage on upper and lower side based on previous day closing price of the share. These percentages range from 2 to 20% based on the liquidity and volatility in the share price. These percentages are fixed by SEBI. Orders cannot be placed outside the circuit limit on a particular trading day. Also, if the share price hits any side of the price range, upper or lower, trading on that share or security will be halted for the day. For example, if share of company A has closed at a price of rupees 100 on a previous day and a circuit limit of 10% has been fixed on the price of that share, then on the next day its circuit limit or the price band will be between 90 to 110. No orders can be placed outside this range. Why is circuit limit applied on shares? The major reason for applying circuit limit is to avoid panic, which might be due to some news or rumors or maybe due to some market manipulation activity. Temporary halt gives the traders time to understand the news, and also it gives time to the regulator to review any manipulation going on in the market and provide essential guidance to the market. Second reason is to avoid punching errors. If there is no price range, then the traders can place order at any price for a particular share. However, if a price of a share is 100, if you place an order at 1000 rupees, it will create panic in the market. Hence, this price band restricts price at which you can place an order on a particular day. Any order outside the price range will not be accepted by the market. Third question, do all the shares have circuit limits? Many of the shares have circuit limits. However, the shares which are traded in futures and options do not have circuit limit. The exchange does apply a dummy price band on these shares so that price range for the order on a particular day can be defined. However, it only means that once any of the price range is achieved either on the upper or lower side, a new price range will be defined by the exchange and the trading will again resume on the same day. Next question, is there circuit limit for indices like Nifty and Sensex? Yes, indices do have circuit limits and work under the concept of circuit breaker. The circuit breaker concept was implemented by SEBI in July 2001 and later amended with predefined limits in October 2013. As given in table, trading gets halted if the limit is reached either for some time or for the full day, depending upon the timing of the fall or the rise in the indices. Market always restarts with a pre-opening session of 15 minutes after circuit breaker is hit. Let us go through the limits of the circuit breaker. So for indices there are three limits: 10%, 15% and 20%. If 10% limit is hit on the upper or lower side before 1 pm, then trading will be halted for 45 minutes and then it will restart with a 15 minutes pre-opening session. Between 1 to 2:30 pm trading will be halted for 15 minutes. After 2:30 pm no halt will be there in the trading. For 15% range before 1 pm trading is halted for 1 hour 45 minutes. Between 1 to 2 pm if it happens, then trading will be halted for 45 minutes. After 2 pm if it happens, then trading will be halted for remaining day. 20% limit. If the indices hit 20% limit on a particular trading day, then the trading will be halted for rest of the day. Hope we were able to clarify your questions on circuit limit. If you have more queries, you can write to us in the comments. Be connected to us for the similar updates. Thank you for watching the video.